If you're trying on a pause or download on Epic Games, this quick guide will show you the easiest way to do it without any confusion. Whether you need to free up bandwidth, stop a download temporarily, or just take a break and come back later, pausing a game download in Epic Games Launcher is simple once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more fast and easy how-to guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer and make sure you're signed into the correct account. Once the launcher is open, go to the library section. This is where all of your owned games and active downloads are listed, so it's the main place you'll want to check anytime you're managing a game installation. In your library, look for the game that is currently downloading. You should be able to spot it fairly easily because it will usually show a progress bar or indicate that it's in the middle of downloading. If you have multiple games in your library, take a second to find the exact one you want to stop so you don't click the wrong item by mistake. Once you find the downloading game, look for the pause button next to it. In most cases, this will appear directly on the download card or near the progress indicator. Click the pause button and Epic Games will immediately stop the download. You'll notice that the progress no longer continues, which means the download has been successfully paused. This is useful if you want to reduce internet usage, avoid slowing down other apps, or simply stop the download until later. If you want to continue the download afterward, you can usually come back to the same game in your library and resume it from the same spot. So the process is really just 3 simple steps. Open Epic Games Launcher, go to library, find the downloading game, and click pause. That's it. No complicated settings, no extra menus, and no advanced steps required. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.